Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I posted on my Instagram asking you guys to give me some YouTube video ideas, and a lot of them asked me to do a hairstyle video. I have no clue how this hairstyle thing works because I barely do any hairstyles myself. It's my mom who does it for me. But today I thought I'd take it upon myself, and I googled few Pinteresty hairstyles which I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I just didn't get the chance to do. But yeah, so I'm gonna do 5 hairstyles which are pretty basic yet very breezy, and it gives you the perfect summer vibe. So without further ado, let's just get started. So the first hairstyle, I'm sure it'll be coming somewhere here. So it's an updo, like half updo, and then she has kind of bent it down. I don't know, I'm really bad at explaining it, but I'll show you guys how to do it. I've tried, I'm not gonna lie, I did try 2-3 times just so that I don't mess it up here. But if I still do, just forgive me. Just try your best, okay? I'm trying to. So first, I'm taking a little bit of my hair on the top. Don't grow long hair. So I'm gonna leave a few front pieces now itself. It can be messy, it may not be perfect. Just play around and figure out what works for you. She has pretty much like short length hair, so she just could do it easily, but I think I have to do a little more. And then I'm going to use a rubber band. And loosen it up a little bit. And that's all, you're done. So this is how it looks at the back. It's not as perfect, but yeah. This is how mine turned out. I'm not very satisfied, but I'm glad I tried. Now let's move on to the next one. This is what I'm going for. So basically she just twisted it in the front. She made it into 2 segments. Since I already have a middle partition, I'm just going to dive in with starting to twist my hair here and clip it up with butterfly clips. But then I don't have butterfly clips, so I have something which is similar, and if you have butterfly clips, well and good, go for it. First I'm going to segment this with the help of a brush. So I'm going to take this portion and twist it here. Twist it as much as you want. I would like to keep it short so that the clips are visible, so I would recommend the same for you guys. So once you think that you're satisfied with the twist, just go take the clip and clip it down. So this is how mine came. So sometimes it may not stay, so just take a clip and then pin it down. This way it will stay secure and it won't move. Now go for the other section. Now that it's secured, go for the next part. So try to leave hair in the side so that it looks just the way it looks for her. It need not be just the way it looks here or the way it looks on her. Something that looks good on you and you're very happy with it, then that's, you've done it. And pull a few front pieces, but be very careful because you've already twisted it down, so it may not be as perfect. And yeah, this is a done look. This is how it looks. I'm really happy with how it turned. It's pretty much nothing, it's just a front look. I hope you guys like it. Now let's get on to the next one. Now coming to the next one, I'm going for the bubble braid, which is literally going viral. I see everywhere people are doing bubble braids and I'm in love with it. Honestly, this will be my favorite look if it turns out well. So let's just get started. Firstly, I'm not going to have a middle partition for this one. Just go messy, no need to use a comb. If you want you can, but I suggest you don't. So gather your hair, secure it with a rubber band. After that I'm going for these disco rubber bands. I couldn't find any at my place, but I found an alternative to it and I'm happy with it. Now take that pony. I'm using these elastic bands. If you have disco rubber bands, well and good, go for it. But these work wonders too, because it doesn't break most of the time. So leave a generous amount and whatever you like, and start securing it real tight. Now I've secured this. Just go ahead and do that for the rest of the things. You don't need to make it look like a bubble right now. You can pull it at the end, or else it'll get messy. Well, now this is how it looks now. All you gotta do is tug and do it as much as possible, but don't overdo it. Just do it as much as you can and you feel happy with. Now this is what I did. You can balance it out as much as you want. It's entirely up to you. And that's it. That's it. Once this is done, now just pull your front pieces. Until you're happy with it. Now this is the entire look. And this is a bubble braid that I went for. I really am in love with it. Let me just turn around and show you guys how it looks. So this is my favorite look so far. I like the bubble braid idea. Let me know if you guys like it too and if you try. Now let's get on to the next hairstyle. So last one would be the claw clip. It's going everywhere. Literally, it's the best and I love it. If you have seen my previous video, I was obsessed with claw clip, but I didn't do it that well. But I used to just, tie it up and leave few pieces at the end. Today, I think I will try to make it look as good as possible. Let's see how that goes. For this particular one, I won't be removing the top part. I'll just keep it that way since mine is long hair. You need not do the same thing. But if you want to feel more secured with the hair thing, then I think you can go ahead as well. Let's see how that goes. So right now, since the front pieces are already there, so I'm just going to leave it just like that. And now I'm going to start with twisting my hair. Since I have secured it with the ponytail, I'm going to twist it only this much. I'll be twisting only half of it. And then I'm going to secure it with the claw clip. You can go with anything. And I'm going to secure it there, and then I'm leaving it behind. I know you guys must be wondering it's too long, but I'm going to go around it. So I did try, it did fail a lot, but finally my mom helped me for this because it was getting horrible. And at the end, what I did for this particular thing was she twisted it twice, more than once what I did, and she folded it down and then clipped it, and then she left the extra hair on top, creating this effect. I think I really like this, and this would be my second favorite among the entire thing. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and everything that you would like to in this video. And then if you do try these hairstyles, do let me know in the comment section below, and also comment which one is your favorite. Mine was bubble braid, like I mentioned, and turn on your post notifications on so that you get notified whenever I post it, and see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you.